Welcome to all mothers and prospective mothers in the house. Can I hear a hey in the house? Hey! Thank you. On behalf of all the men here present, I acknowledge and thank you all for all that you do for us. We do not take your roles in our lives, albeit, I know sometimes it can be overbearing, but we appreciate you, we love you. We appreciate every single thing you do for us. We don't take any of this for granted. This is here another opportunity to reassure you that you are very dear to us, and we hold you very dear in our hearts. Whilst we understand the need for hustle and bustle, work, family commitments, the importance of occasions like this cannot be taken for granted. Events like this are important if we want to live long. So a little bit to the right, a little bit to the left, and the balances. So we don't go walking all the way, and forgetting to do those things that are important to us that help us elongate our lives. This is one of such events, and I welcome you all this evening. My Igbo brethren, I know I said it before, Igbo kwenu. Yeah. Maybe it's not the loudest you can be. Igbo kwenu. Yeah. I'm happy to see you all here today, and your presence gladdens my heart. To the Yoruba, Edo, and other Nigerian communities represented here tonight, I thank you so much for your support and patronage from the inception of this event till date. This event has been running for 5 years tracking. You have been with us all the way, you have supported us, and this is an opportunity for us to say, once again, a big thank you for all that you do. Enjoy all that the evening has to offer. Welcome and thank you once again.
Yes. You were supposed to say.
Hey guys, I know everyone is posting to watch more of this Igbo couples night. It's so interesting, very entertaining, and a lot of people, fun, food. People are just celebrating. It seems like you have just let the net. It seems like you just let the bird out of the hook, so you just fly, woof. Everyone was enjoying dancing. I love it, and like the Igbo Association president say, have been having this program for 5 years and 5 good years. I think this is the best program in Australia for Africans. If you have to say, if I ask you to have a survey on this program, many of you will bring the turn up that this is the best program. I interviewed quite people, they said the same thing last year, and for almost maybe 3 years now that I've been coming to this program. I've been interested. One of the good things I like in this program is that it's not about the drink, but I like whenever they gave me this bottle, I carry it back home, and I enjoy it anyway, guys. But see, listen, this is a wonderful program that I enjoy so much. And if you want to watch the full video, head website or get to the executive, the full videos with them. You can watch that and enjoy the video program. Now, guys, it's sort of encouragement that our community will come together to celebrate, to enjoy a wonderful time together. Couples, even when my wife is not here, don't tell anybody. Even when my wife is not here, I'm still coming out. But guys, listen, it's time for you to wind up and wind down, like you said. Let's enjoy the atmosphere, enjoy the program, enjoy the dancing, enjoy. It's such a wonderful time. I wish I can play all the music, but guys, you know what? I am restricted to not to play some music, so that's why you can only see some of the movement here. But I'm very restricted. But when you go to the NSV website, you can enjoy all the music and how it sound. Enjoy some of the music here. Maybe may be detracted by me, to avoid, some. Copyright issue that I've been having with some of the Nigerian artists, guys. So, you know what? I want you guys to get down here, enjoy it, and you tell me what you think, guys. I'll be always here for you guys, always here for community. If you want your low budget coverage, I'm always here for you, and we can make it happen somehow. You get back to me, and as you watch this, please share, comment, and let me know if there's any way of improvement too. You can help me to comment and let me grow, And guys, enjoy. It was a wonderful dance. I see some people dance. Don't mind me, guys. I'll probably not be able to dance that way, but I like dancing. I like, when people are celebrating, I celebrate with them. I love celebration. And when I see this thing coming this way, I feel very excited. I say, oh my God. I see some of my friends. I see some couple. When you see the happy face, it's not every time you like to see sad face, but some happy face make me happy. Make me go bala 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 bala. Well, guys, you know what? Keep enjoying. See some of these. I see some of our chief, Chief Akodinawata, Chief Akurulo, and other.
can lend us your ear, that will be good. This session, I have entitled it The Wheel of Life. And if you are someone that reads the scripture, you will be conversant with the scripture in 3 John verse 2 that says, may you prosper in all things and be in health, just as your soul prospers. What a word. May you prosper in all things and be in health, just as your soul prospers. Now, that's really interesting. You read things like that, and I've had some of us, resounded with a big amen. The next thing is, but how? Because this scripture captures every aspect of our lives. We are spirit, soul, and body. And I just want to address us tonight on what I call the wheel of life. If you look up, you can see the caption. Because with this, I've been able to break down what actually the soul prosper, the body, the health prosper, what is it? And I've been able to have 8 areas that it is very, very important to each and every one of us. So on those 8 areas, you can see this is the wheel of life. And each session is as important as the other. I want to say that when one part of this wheel is not functioning as it should, we are in trouble. Look at it very carefully. You can see it starts with our spiritual journey, and that flowed to the second one, what I call the life partner. This actually is pretty much what we are doing here today. As we calm down a little bit, you will understand. And that flows to family. And of course, friends. That leads to wealth creation. How about careers as well as our callings? How about leisure and rest? A lot of people don't think that that is really important. And that goes to our health. Now, this forms a perfect wheel. And each of these areas of our lives are so important that when one is not functioning, it is going to slow you down. A lot of people don't understand why we should be having couples and singles nights. But you know that this is vital. This is very, very important. I remember talking somewhere in Africa about this. This actually is a whole 6 weeks of training. Each of these, we look at them in detail. I remember talking about leisure. Taking the time out to rest, take time out for holidays. And some people started laughing. They said all their life they have not done anything about holiday. They just walk and walk and walk and walk and walk.
Hang on. Good work, Australia. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. How is that possible? Okay, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That was a practice session. That was practice. That was practice. Let's keep going. Martin, that was your fault. That was the president's fault. Don't worry about me. Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
To me, Couples Night is the #1 entertaining program in Australia for Africa.
I think that's what happens when you sit on 2 chairs. All right.
Really doesn't work.
Good one. It's going to be fierce. It's going to be fierce. All the best.
I so much, shout out to the executive of Igbos that put this program together. I know a lot of times I go in, a lot of push to get the best I've got in. Even if some of them will put their own personal finance in order to make this happen. So I thank them. I don't take those things for granted. The president says, oh God, he thanks his wife, and it's true, because some of these guys are married and their wife have to accommodate them doing this, guys. It's not an easy thing. So guys, I shout out to them. I shout out to everybody that put one thing or the other. Even you that attended the program, dancing, shaking body, everything, you guys are highly appreciated. You are welcome. Let's make our community more viable, make our community more entertaining. And also, we appreciate, everyone that, give good view about this program. As I know for you, if I ask you guys to vote in this, I know many communities will say this is the best that you can have in Africa. And I give credit to Igbo Association of Victoria and the president and everyone, guys. Now listen, guys. Oh, you see the dance? Oh, guys. I like when the Igbo musics are played and a lot of other countries are dancing. And when Igbo musics are played, other tribes, even here, one good thing is that you will never know who is Igbo or not Igbo. It's just a community thing. So I'm so proud of that. But Yoruba community, Edo, whatever community, Hausa, external community, Cameroon, even maybe Sudan, other peoples were there. I say even the MC, I think the MC is from Sudan. So that was so appreciated. It's like community integration, and that is what we want about. And the talk by Pastor Luke was, refreshing. Madam, I give you credit because I love that. I say, what do you call it? Bunny jumping or something? Okay, Pastor Luke, if you listen to this, it will help me to make that program going, to jump, to share some personal experience by Pastor Luke Wednesday. He was there. You're so appreciative, It's not about the dance. It's also time to communicate. The food, ooh, it's so awesome. The people is so awesome. It's just like a family. It's a family. I wish them the best, and I hope this will community even more. So guys, as you know, it's not only the outcome of the whole thing. The whole thing comes to, how the Igbos will progress and continue to support each other. How the Igbos will also help to build the Igbo house. If that's the case, guys, I don't have no problem. And I hope maybe, in future, these people will continue to bring in more ideas to continue to help to see this program develop. There's no room for criticism here. It's the only room we have here is how we grow. So we grow together, we make this together. We have families. Some families may not be able to have time to go out to do a lot of things, in a very friendly community this way. But you know what? We enjoy this.
We have to go to God.
present? Can we get a present, Mr. President? Mr. President? Young man, come forward, come forward. Young man, come forward.
I saw you gave a good fight. Good fight? But I understand why. There was a lot of intimidation. So we're not going to go to court? I hope this will be enough consolation, alright?
Look, honestly, I think we gave it our all out there. Really strong first half, we lost in the second, so congratulations to our opponents. We tried our best.
Good on you. This determination now, wow. At the point I even saw you taking the ballot box home. You know they carry last, right? You know they carry last. Today is a true example. Congratulations. I saw you were determined to go all the way, and you got there in the end. Congrats,
I was feeling so sad because I was all alone. So bad. And there she goes. She touched my heart and said, "Hey, Bessie, I know to go." So glad. The way she keeps me smiling, it brings me joy. Proves this.
Yes, as you mentioned, we've got the Igbo House, which is our proposed biggest project oncoming, and I'm excited about it. So a number of our community members were looking to bring this to fruition. It's a legacy that my team and I have sworn to see happen, and I'm hoping that our community will key into it and make it come to fruition. I mean, there's no use running around doing stuff without achieving something tangible. We see this as a tangible project, and one that we are committed to seeing happen here in Victoria. It will be the first of its kind of all tribal communities here in Victoria. I know the Igbos are capable. We have individuals doing very well on their own. And I believe as a community we can achieve this, we can actualize this, we'll make it happen, and we're going to drive it to the end and make sure we see it to fruition.
Thank you very much. People have actually appreciated this couple night with what you guys have been teaching, trying to make couples together. So your own prayer, what is your prayer to couples in Victoria, mostly Igbos couples? What do you think?
So, yeah, just so you know, this is not just about couples alone.
Yeah.
It's also about the singles, people looking for love, looking to connect with partners.
Yeah.
Our prayer is to see a community that is united, families that are happy, couples that are doing well in every area of endeavor, and we'll continue to promote this sort of event to bring people together. I know we work so hard here in Melbourne, but to live long, we also have to play. It's not just about work alone. What do they say about all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy? So this is an opportunity to unwind, and we've chosen this night because it is Mother's Day Eve, to celebrate our wives, the mothers within our community, not just the mothers within our community, also the prospective mothers. So yes, it's something that is very dear to us, and we're glad to bring it out here to the community, and we'll continue to soldier on and to make it better.
Even the Igbo Association of Victoria president was saying something that interests me a lot. He also said that about the Igbo house, that it's good for people to key in his program so that the Igbo house will be done, find funds and people happy. And the president told me actually that not only that couples came to have a dance. He said that even those prospective, future wife, future husband can find, somebody maybe stable there. You never know. Okay, guys, that's another idea. Oh, guys, so wherever you are, if you next year, anytime they want it, if they announce it, if you have time, because the ticket go fast, so be quick to get the ticket and enjoy. Me, Lord Obi, I thank them for every time. I thank them for the opportunity and to cover us some, this program, and it's so amazing, guys. If you're watching, like I said, guys, if you have occasion, if you have birthday party, naming ceremony, just a small gathering, even in home care, in home, what they call it, respect care, whatever I call it, you just wanted to, have fun. You can ask Lord, hey, Lord, can you help me make small video? I can do that. Not really professional, please. We can make a bit moderate. Just give me maybe 5% or 10% of video. I can make that for you in your low budget, guys. So, guys, you know what? Enjoy. Like I said, you can get back there and see the video fully with fully with IAV website, or get to their, I don't know how they manage it. You get to them, then they can tell you how you can watch it fully to them from there. You can also comment here and tell me what you think. If you're there, if I didn't pick you, I'm sorry if I didn't get your video in, but I make sure that many of the people that come, so you can see yourself, even in this little one I do. But if you want to get the whole detail, how everything happened, you can head to IAV and get the whole thing. So, guys, if you have not done so, please get yourself together and do something like that. It's something for the future, and we are looking forward to that. And other programs that are coming up, guys. If you, whatever you have, shout out to me. Even if it's your birthday party, naming ceremony, whatever, graduation. If you want for low budget, I'm here to make it more simple for you, so you don't need to pay those BB costs. Just slash it, and you get me to it, guys. Just a small token will get me doing that for you guys. So,
Are you sure you're all safe? You're all safe? Make sure you swap. You swap if you're not. Discuss amongst yourselves. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Come sit down so that we can see if they match.
Take a seat. You come on, you take a seat.
Cinderellas. Where are the Cinderellas?
For your wife, please. Bring a chair for your wife, please.
Cinderella, let us see if they match.
This one program I actually like so much what they're doing.
As your wife comes out, you carry a chair, please. You carry a chair to sit down. Please to the left side.
Guys, are you all safe?
Are you sure you're all safe? You're all safe? Make sure you swap. You swap if you're not. Discuss amongst yourselves.
Are you sure?
Okay, go ahead. Go
Go
ahead.
ahead and put the shoe.
They rig the election.
Go ahead.
Put the shoe back on your brain.
This is a big walk. Oh.
I heard them say they will need support. They will need support.
Big walk, the photo shoot. But I think this is one of the best thing I saw today. What happened here, the husbands to put the shoe on their wife after the roasting. So I actually enjoyed it. It's fascinating how people watch. That's also amazing. That's a big walk, big walk.
Yes, well done. Well done. Yes, well done. Thank you so much.
Give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
So that's the vice president going for the women. Right on time.
So guys, then what? Enjoy this program, and I know wherever you're watching, you love Loobi. Don't be shy to say hi. Don't be shy to say something. Criticisms are welcome. Also, you have to let me know what you think. But guys, I love some kind of stuff. Yeah, people are doing some good dance stuff. Yeah, it's so much. I shout out to the president, Mr. Avis Wachuku and family. You know, these have been doing a good job, and thank you for inviting me. Miss Scott Adams. So that's awesome, and all the executive. You know, you guys are awesome, guys. I give you, and the social director too. You know, and one of our sister. So anyway, you know yourself. So guys, all the best, guys. Thank you for watching Loobi. I hope to see you in other programs, not only in Nigeria, and not only in the Igbo program, other Nigerian program, or other African programs. So thank God, mainly guys, because of my tight work schedule and everything, I go within our Nigerian program and other tribes, guys. So enjoy yourself and see you some other time. All the best. Loobi.